In this video, I will be showing you how to make an image editable in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the main Canva homepage screen. I move my cursor up to the top left corner and click on the purple Create a Design button. A drop-down menu opens up with several preset template options, and I scroll down slightly to select YouTube thumbnail. This opens up a brand new, clean, blank design canvas in the editor. Once my workspace loads, I head over to the side toolbar menu on the left and click on Uploads. This opens my media gallery, where all my uploaded files are stored. I scroll down through the gallery until I locate the image I want to work with, which is a family photo. I click on the photo to instantly insert it onto the canvas. Next, I click and drag the outer corner handles outward to scale up the picture, centering it nicely in the workspace. Now that the photo is properly placed, I click on it to select it, then move up to the top controls and click Edit. This opens the Edit Image panel on the left side of the screen with a variety of creative tools. I select the tool that automatically analyzes the photo and separates it into individual layers. After processing for a moment, a notification confirms the image is split into editable layers, and purple outlines appear around each separated figure. With all the elements separated into distinct pieces, I can freely rearrange the entire composition. I click and drag the person on the left further to the side, reposition the center figure, slide the person on the right over, and move the flower bouquet down toward the center. Next, I select the flower bouquet element to give it a custom look. I click Edit in the top toolbar, scroll down the left menu to the Style Match section, and select the Doodle option. This transforms the bouquet into a unique graphic style. I then click and drag the newly styled bouquet into a new spot between the subjects. Finally, I select the central subject to make her stand out. In the Edit panel, I scroll down to the Shadows tool and select Outline. I adjust the size slider to 25, open the color palette, and choose white. This adds a bold, clean outline around the subject. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make image editable in Canva.